Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to do a reverse transition on CapCut for PC. Start by opening CapCut on your computer. Create a new project and import the clips you want to edit. You can do this by clicking on the Import button and selecting your video files from your computer. Once the clips are imported, drag them to the timeline in the order you want them to appear. Now, find the clip where you want to apply the reverse transition. First, duplicate the clip that will be reversed. To do that, right-click on the clip in the timeline and select Copy. Then, move the playhead forward and paste the copied clip right after the original one. Click on the copied clip and apply the reverse option. Now you have a section where the video plays normally, then quickly plays in reverse. This gives the look of a smooth reverse transition. Once you're happy with the transition, click Export at the top right corner, choose your resolution and settings, and export your project. That's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.